Tell us about the common ailments that affect the shoulder.
So that's a good question. I would like to maybe answer that almost divided in age category, if you want to call it younger generation, middle-aged generation, and
That's a good way to do it.
older generation. And so the younger generation, think sporting injury, throwing injury. Let's talk about overhead athletes or mountain climbing or gymnastics. That would be the younger sort of mini trauma, sports injuries. Then the middle age is where people talk about the rotator cuff injuries, which is the bread and butter injury of the shoulder, if there is one.
And we'll explain what a rotator cuff is in a little bit.
And in the older age, of course, as any age joint talks, we talk about arthritis, we talk about wear and tear. So those are the sort of, if you want to broadly classify those injuries, they fall into those three categories.